health benefits of cocoa. Cocoa beans are the fermented seeds of the cacao tree and are native to the Amazon region. Historically an important crop in Central and South America, these beans are now produced across the world. Apart from their use in manufacturing of chocolate, cocoa beans also provide a variety of health and medicinal benefits. The compounds present in cocoa help in decreasing the effects of UV rays and also aid in reducing roughness of skin. A natural antidepressant, consumption of cocoa enhances mood and helps deal with anxiety and stress. Regular intake of cocoa prevents obesity by improving metabolism and reducing the production of fatty acids. Consumption of cocoa prevents the formation of fatal blood clots, which could lead to stroke or cardiac failure. Cocoa is effective in improving insulin resistance and glucose metabolism, thus preventing the onset of diabetes. Cocoa helps cure asthma and shortness of breath by relaxing bronchial pathways and muscles. It contains medicinal properties which help prevent the development of infections in the body. Cocoa beans are treasured for their use in manufacturing various kinds of chocolates and other sweet delicacies. Cocoa butter is also used as a substitute for gelatin to enhance the flavor and aroma of food. Because it is a source of caffeine, excessive consumption of cocoa could lead to sleeplessness and irregular heartbeat. Cocoa can cause allergic reactions on skin, migraine, headaches, and digestive discomforts like gas and nausea. Keeping the above two facts in mind, you can now peacefully enjoy a flavorful, beneficial bite of that cocoa chocolate. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below if you like our video. Subscribe and click on the bell icon on the YouTube app to be the first to watch new videos on organic facts.